Yeah, hello friends, this is Jeromekeys music. So today we'll be doing Makossa lead and bass line breakdown today. So I played this on my previous video. So you guys said I should do this breakdown. That's why I'm doing it. So it goes like this. So let me just do the breakdown of what I was playing on the video. This is how it goes. The first, I'm playing on F sharp. For those of you that is not familiar with F sharp, I'll be calling out all the notes of what I'm playing, so you can apply it to your own key. Okay, just watch and learn. So this song, you can just you can use this particular lead and bass line on this song. So you can use it on that song, okay? You can use it on Yahweh, 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 Mako. You can use it on that song also. So this one, I played do la fa, si so re so ti la fa, do so mi so do la fa, si so re so ti la fa. Okay. Do la fa, si so re so ti la fa, do so mi so do la fa, si so re so ti la fa, do so. Okay, that's what I'm playing. You go do la fa, si so re so ti la fa, do so. Just bring the octave here. Here we play. Mi do fa la. Mi do fa la. You go octave. Your octave higher. Once you're playing your do la fa ti sa, you go to your octave. There you go. Mi do fa la. Re so ti la so fa la. Re so ti re. Re so ti re. Do la so fa la. Okay. Re so ti re. Re so ti re. Do la so fa la. Do mi fa la. Okay. Do mi. Once you are playing. Do mi fa la re do la re la do ti la so fa la. Do mi fa la re. Okay, you just be changing them. You know, once you start this one, once you go octave, you just be having inspiration. bass line, you can use this bass line. Okay. So we play do do fa sol do re sol fa sol do fa sol so. Okay. So do fa sol so re sol fa sol do fa sol so re sol fa sol do. Okay, you can just use that one, or you can even play. So when you go out, so you can just do it any way you know your hand can be balanced. I'm trying to get a simple bass line, but let me just maintain on this one. So you can just be playing it. Just know that you're going to do fa sol so re sol fa sol do. Once you're playing that, you just know that your progression is do la da 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 do fa. So once you're playing do fa sol, and if you're playing on, so you can just be playing, even though it's one bass line, and far you are getting your lead line very well. So even though it will even be balanced. Okay. Do 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 fa so so do fa do do do. You can just play any bass line. Just try and get your. Okay, I hope you have learned this one today. So please make sure you like, comment, and share. Make sure you like, comment, and share. I'm going to be dropping more tutorial for you guys. So just support by liking, share, and also comment the song you want me to do breakdown on. I will try and do it. God bless you all.